We're going to today we're playing Roblox, and I'm gonna be playing Breaking. This is new. I don't even know what it is. I played it once, but I'm gonna check out Breaking for it. If you saw the video of my new avatar, go check it out. Okay, we're noobs. Call me a nerd. I think I know how to do it. I didn't know how to do it. Ah! Hold it. Oh my. Scared. Holy bro. Yo, 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 yo. Oh, thought they were gonna pick me. Let's go, 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 go. Ooh, that was good. Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me. Pick me. Pick me. Okay, guys. I'm gonna be making another video after this. It's gonna be about creepypastas. There's a creepypasta on Roblox. After this video, I'm gonna be making that video. And that guy just got wrecked. So yeah. Holy moly, guys. Pick me, pick me. Pick me! What the heck? Look at this loser. Ice cream man. Okay, so pick me, pick me, pick me. Yo! Mess with that guy, you'll die. Oh, he died. Who's my opponent? I wanna pick this nub. This nub right here. Get wrecked. Oh, I actually killed that guy. Holy God. I killed somebody. Yep, 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 yep. Yes! I won! Guys, I won! Yes! I actually won a game, guys. Who wants to mess with me, bro? Yeah, guys, you got it. Let's do this. I like this game. I think I'm gonna favorite it. Favorite. Favorited it. Let's go. Why did you kill me? Because I can. Okay, let's go. Another round. There's different rounds in this, I think. Not just knife. See ya. Pick the bacon air. Oh, I'm a newbie. Look at that guy. Yeah! Lose. Bacon. 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 Bacon here. Bacon here. Bacon here. Bacon. Okay, guys, we're gonna keep going. Yes. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Fedora, guys, there's free fedoras in the item shop, like that guy's wearing. So yeah, guys, you better go check them out. Oh, a newbie. We're gonna get that guy. He should die. Oh, what about this guy? Nice. Let's go. Oh, just got wrecked. So yeah, so yeah, so yeah, so yeah. Fine. Ooh, get wrecked. See what else? Ooh, oof, 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 oof. Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me. I wish you could pick yourself. That'd be cool. We're gonna get going. Go, guys. Gameplay. Who's gonna win? I think Creamy Guy's gonna win. Oh, he lost. Somebody pick me. Yes, 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 yes. Get wrecked, bro. Dang it. Oh, this guy. We lost. Stop. We literally lost, guys. We literally lost. I'm so mad. Not really, but keep up. I keep playing because I like this game. But guys, I'm gonna do another gameplay. I'm gonna do more gameplays after this video. I'm gonna be doing V-Sword because I got a new item in V-Sword actually. I forgot to show you guys. Um.
Wait, is his aunt coming? Is the aunt coming?
Did it? Oh, sorry about that, guys. That guy, that what she just said was bad. Holy, I don't know. Ooh! Oh, God. Die. Oh, guys. Keep going, guys. I want to get that guy. That guy. That guy. Oh! Holy, holy. Oh. We lost. Oh! I'm gonna be making a series. I don't know about that. Sorry. Okay, guys, we're gonna keep going, guys. Actually, I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you guys like and subscribe. I'm gonna be making longer gameplay of this. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and